Today I'm going to look at the irregular verb do, which a lot of you from other countries do not have a direct translation for. So I'm going to be looking at all different tenses with the word do. So do is used often when you're asking someone a question and you want to know what they have done, past participle. So for example, do you travel much? No, not enough. And the infinitive verb in one question. What do you have to do today? These videos. Simple past. Did you ask that girl out that you like? No, I bottled it. Bottled it. What does that mean? So if you bottle something, you have lost your courage to do something. It's like you have put your courage in a bottle and you've screwed the top and it's in there and it can't come out. I'm going to explain to you when to use the suffix hood on the end of a word and what it means, and when not to use it as well. I know this is an issue for some students, English learners. My students have often used the word neighbourhood when speaking about the people that live next door to them, and those are actually their neighbours. Hood indicates a body of persons, or you could say a group of people. So a neighbourhood is the area where you live. Just to be clear, I meant the suffix hood and what that indicates. The actual word hood is something you put over your head to cover your head, like Robin Hood. Suffix hood also indicates a state or condition of being. So I am in my adulthood or manhood. Children are in their childhood. Today I'm going to look at the irregular verb bite and the past simple, simple past, bit, and the past participle, bitten. What does it mean to bite? Well, it means to eat something with your teeth. So you need teeth to bite. Like a dog. A dog could bite you. You don't want that. Have you been bitten by a dog? I was bitten by a dog actually when I was a kid. A film that you must watch called One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest with Jack Nicholson, and they give him a bit to bite on when they give him electroshock treatment. You may have noticed I used bit in the last video, but that was a noun. A bit is something you bite when you're given electroshock treatment. But we're talking about verb, past simple. You could say, yesterday I was bit by a mosquito. And continuous, you could say that your dog was biting on that bone for hours. Today I'm going to do a few phrases with you. Do you know what it means when you take something with a pinch of salt? First explain what a pinch of salt actually means. It's like you take a bowl of salt and you take your fingers, like you pinch it. That's pinch of salt. If someone tells you something and you believe it, but there is a degree of skepticism in your belief that they might not be telling the truth, that's what taking something with a pinch of salt means. So politicians, when they say something, I often take that with a pinch of salt, because they're often talking out of their arse. That's another phrase we say when someone's talking rubbish. Talking about arses, I thought of another phrase that is British, I think only. When someone doesn't know what they're talking about, you can say, he doesn't know his arse from his elbow. Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the last syllable of words. And don't forget it, because my students sometimes do. Especially words that end in a Y. If you've had a warm day, you can say, oh, it's been sunny today. Or if you're particularly glad, you can say, today I'm really happy. You don't have to say it in that way. sunny, happy. I was just trying to show that you don't forget the last syllable. You could say, I'm happy today. I am quite happy today. And it's not sunny at all, actually. Let's look at another and other, and when you should use both those words, because many do get them wrong. So another is used when you are talking about just one other thing. As you can see, the article an, other. So I just bought a car and I want to buy another one. The other is used when talking about more than one thing. So you could say, I recently went to Cyprus, but I want to go to other countries. So